Are you searching for the best drones in 2025? Whether you're into aerial photography, vlogging, or just want a fun flying experience, I've got you covered. Today, I'll be reviewing the top 5 best drones on Aliexpress 2025, breaking them down with product info, features, pros, cons, and my final verdict. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. 2025 V168 Pro Max GPS Drone. This professional drone comes with an 8K HD camera, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, and advanced 360-degree obstacle avoidance. It features a brushless motor for stability, a large screen remote control, and GPS positioning for precise flight. The V168 Pro Max is built for professionals who want crystal-clear aerial shots with ultra-stable flight. Its obstacle avoidance system makes it great for beginners, too. The long-distance control and immersive FPV give you a premium flying experience. Pros: 8K Ultra HD camera with sharp detail, 360-degree obstacle avoidance for safer flights, strong brushless motors for stability, large screen on remote for real-time video. Cons: slightly heavier compared to mini drones. Price is on the higher side. Number 2. Potensic Atom 2. The Potensic Atom 2 features a 3-axis gimbal, 4K HDR video, 8K photo capture, AI night shot tracking, and an impressive 10 km range, all under 249 grams. This drone is lightweight yet powerful, making it perfect for travelers. The gimbal ensures buttery-smooth footage, while the long range lets you explore without signal dropouts. Night shooting and AI tracking take your videos to the next level. Pros: lightweight and travel-friendly, under 249 grams, stunning 4K HDR video and 8K photos, 3-axis gimbal for stable shots, long 10 km flight range. Cons: battery life could be longer, limited wind resistance due to lightweight design. Number 3. Potensic C0 Atom SE. This budget-friendly drone comes with a single-axis gimbal, 4K GPS camera, and a 4 km flight range. It weighs under 249 grams, making it beginner-friendly. This drone is great for new pilots and casual users. While it doesn't have the advanced stabilization of high-end models, the GPS lock and easy controls make it reliable for everyday flights. Pros: affordable price point, lightweight and beginner-friendly, decent 4K camera quality, GPS positioning for stable flight. Cons: single-axis gimbal, less stable than 3-axis gimbal, shorter range compared to premium drones. Number 4. Teeggi S909 Max. This drone comes with a 4K camera, GPS system, 6 km range, and touchscreen remote control. It also offers 360-degree obstacle avoidance and a foldable design for portability. The G909 Max strikes a balance between performance and portability. The touchscreen controller adds a modern feel, and its foldable design makes it easy to carry. Perfect for hobbyists who want reliable performance without overspending. Pros: foldable and portable design, touchscreen controller with real-time view, 360-degree obstacle avoidance. Good balance of features and price. Cons: camera quality not as sharp as 8K models, slightly bulky when unfolded. Number 5. Mini Drone SX1 with screen. This mini drone packs a punch with 8K HD cameras, EIS, electronic stabilization, 3-axis gimbal, and brushless motors. It's equipped with 5G GPS and anti-shake tech, and comes with a built-in screen controller. The SX1 is an amazing choice for users who want pro-level footage in a compact size. The 3-axis gimbal and EIS guarantee smooth video, and its small size makes it ultra-portable. Great for vloggers and travelers. Pros: 8K camera with EIS for cinematic footage, compact and portable design, 3-axis gimbal for ultra-smooth shots, built-in screen-on controller. Cons: shorter flight time compared to larger drones. Best suited for casual or prosumer use, not industrial. So which one is right for you? If you want the most advanced features, go for the V168 Pro Max. If you travel often, the Potensic Atom 2 is a perfect lightweight choice. Beginners should start with the Potensic C0 Atom SE. For a balance of features and portability, the Teeggi 909 Max works great.
And if you want compact power with 8K recording, check out the SX1 mini drone. All links are in the description if you want to grab one today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which drone you'd pick in 2025.